In this video we're gonna check if it is possible to get GCam on OPPO Reno 15. In order to check if we can install GCam, we can simply go to the Play Store over here, and we should be able to download an app that is called GCamator. There we go. Now this app allows you to check GCam apps for many different smartphones, and they usually have like their own dedicated GCam versions that are made by other people. And then once the app is installed, of course, we're gonna open it. Now, over here, we can see that the GCam for this specific smartphone, for OPPO Reno 15, is not available yet, so I'm gonna request a GCam, and hopefully in the future, when you are watching this video, maybe there is a dedicated GCam already available, so you can get it from here. But what we can do instead is we can try to get a GCam that is made for another similar smartphone. Of course, there is a risk that the GCam will not work at all. Maybe it's gonna work, but some feature might not be available. Maybe it's gonna crash, it might have some bugs, and so on and so forth. So we're gonna see if we can find a somewhat compatible version. Usually we just have to search for GCam apps for similar devices. So in this case, we're gonna search for OPPO smartphones. As you can see, we have GCam 9.6. Couple of different 9.6 versions, so that is pretty decent. Usually we are looking for the newest version possible, so it seems that 9.6 is the newest one. I'm gonna use this one, the CPH. There we go, let's download it. Of course, you might see an ad in the meantime, so we have to wait for the ad to close it, and we're gonna download the GCam app for that other OPPO smartphone. It is actually for OPPO Find X3 Pro. We're gonna download the APK file, and of course, since we are trying to download an app from an unknown source, your phone might not really allow you to install the app, so you will have to allow the Chrome browser or your browser in general to install apps from unknown sources. And this is because, of course, we are trying to install an app that is outside of the Play Store. So your phone will always warn you that, you know, this might be a harmful app, it might be a suspicious app, and so on and so forth. Of course, I'm not really trying to force anyone to install these apps. If you don't trust these APK files, then of course, you don't have to do this. However, I'm gonna showcase anyway if it's gonna work. Alright, so now let's try to install the app. There we go. And we're gonna check in a second if everything works. There we go, let's open it. We need to grant all the necessary permissions. There we go. And let's see. So the preview works fine. Let's take a photo immediately. And it is saving, so that's good. Can we open the photo? We should be able to do so. Yep, there we go. And we're gonna switch to the front camera as well, and that works too. All right, we also have some settings in here, and maybe we can also go to the video mode. Let's see if the video mode works, and it seems that it is working. Can we switch the camera? Yep. Over here we can of course zoom in and zoom out as well. We have 3x zoom. Let's start recording. Let's see if we can record the video. And it seems that we can. Let's also try to use the 4K resolution, 60 frames. There we go. And I think it works just fine. Oh, video not saved, recording time too short. Okay, so that's my bad. So yeah, it seems that basic features work just fine, although some of these options might not be working at all, like the slow motion time-lapse. They seem to be working just fine. Let's see the photo mode, night sight, sorry, panorama, photosphere. All seems to be somewhat working. So yeah, it seems that this version that I just downloaded is pretty decent. It seems to be working so far just fine. Of course, it doesn't mean that it works perfectly. There might be some bugs anyway. But it seems that it is possible to use GCam on OPPO Reno 15. So if you want to, feel free to try it out. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.